Hi and welcome to Mini Sport. Just showing you a couple of things we do here in our shop. We have tyre fitting and balancing facilities, and we've got Chris here, who is our guru on the tyres. Today we're fitting up a 12x6 OS4, really nice, black centre, polished edge, and it's got that three-piece look to it. We're going to be fitting onto that one of the Eco 2 Nane Cane tyres, and Chris is going to run you through the fitting and balancing process we do here at Mini Sport.
That I will.
Alrighty, we're all done here now. We've got the tyres fitted, balanced, ready to go to our customer. Chris has done a great job, and we look forward to seeing some pictures of these on the car, and we'll get them packed up and out the door now.